Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm gonna show you how to add a bot to your Discord server. So as you can see, I have opened my Discord desktop, my Discord on PC or desktop. So you want to add the bot, you just go to the server that you want to add a bot to. So I'm here at my server, and just make sure that if you want to add the bot to a server, you'll either need to be a server owner, the owner of the server, or you have the permissions to add the bot. So once you're here on the server, just click on this button here at the top left corner and click on this one, the server settings. After that, go to the apps and app directory. And you will see all of these. There are tons of apps and bots you could pick here. So let's say to moderation and tools, you click that. Of course, you'll see all these one. And let's say we want to pick this bot. So just click on it, and you can click on add to server. And if there's an overview here on how to use a bot like this one. And just click on add to server like that. And just go that and to the site, and you'll be redirected to a site. And if you don't want that, you could go with another like bot. Let's say breed bot and something like that, or you could go with a bot that saturates games and something like this, or there, or bot, something like that. Just go with green bot. Like so, and here, and click this control add to server, and there will be a pop-up here that, and pop-up depends on what bot. I mean, this could be different with other bots, so just click on add this over here and pick the server you want. Just click on Winty, and here's a permission. If you're good with that, just click on authorize. And their verification, click on it, and you're good to go. And you can now go to your server, and you see here that the bot was added, and now you get the many things to this bot, like you type on a hub, stick it here, and then you could display all the commands of the bot, just like so. So something like that, and you're good to go. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.